In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth over here. Now, activate it if it's not already on thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Tap on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable it, and then select pair. Lastly, wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if it comes to a tablet or another smartphone, accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, mine were successfully connected. To manage connection with any paired device, use this icon right next to it, and check out all of those options, including unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!